Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to use special characters and accents in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, we need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for settings. Wait until a best match would appear the moment you have typed it, and once it's here, please click on open to continue. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together in your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings. Here at the settings, please proceed at the left side of that. You can see there a list of the options. Please locate with this option called personalization. Under the personalization tab, you need to scroll down, okay, and locate with taskbar. So a taskbar is being composed of different options such as taskbar items, system tray icons, other system tray icons, and taskbar behaviors, and it also have this related settings. And since we're dealing with the using of these special characters, then we need to turn on this touch keyboard. So by that, click this down arrow key aligning to it and go with this one. Okay, go with always. Okay, once you have set it into always, your touch keyboard will be relaunched here in your taskbar. So from that moment, you need to proceed at the bottom search bar and type for Notepad. So open any of the document that you would like to bring up with. In my case, I'll be using Notepad. So from here, you just have to click on open, and after that, this small window would show up. So here, please proceed at the taskbar and click your touch keyboard icon. And in that way, you would be able to bring this up. So all you need to do is you need to long press this one, long press it, okay? So let's try again. Go with our touch keyboard, okay? Long press it. And from here, you can now see the special characters that you can use here, okay? And when you go with this one, you can also check the special characters that you'd like to use, okay? So just long press that, okay, and you would be able to see the special characters along with it, okay? So that's it. Once you are satisfied, you can now close the window as well as your touch keyboard and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.